Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to calculate the age from a date in Excel. There's a few different ways to do it depending on your needs, so let's get to it. First way is the simplest. We have a date here, let's go with 11/14/1998, and now to get the age from that date, let's just type in a formula here. We're going to go up top to the box and let's enter in our equal sign and then int today with parentheses, and then we're going to minus the cell number A1, divide all that by 365 days in a year, and this will subtract the current date from our date and give us the year difference, and there it is, 24. Next, let's try to add some detail to the age. So we're going to use another formula. In this case, we're going to go equal sign YEARFRAC parenthesis A1 comma today and hit enter, and we get a decimal number. In this case, the decimal .94 represents we are 94% of the way through the current birthday year, which in this case is just a few weeks away on November 14th from today's date of October 23rd. For our third and final method, let's improve the readability, and for that I want to cut and paste a formula into the box. This is one I already had written up. This formula essentially breaks up the date into year, months, and days, and don't worry, I'll leave this in the description along with the other two formulas. And let's just hit enter here, and there we go. And as you can see, this gives us a clear picture of the age: 24 years, 11 months, and 9 days. So those are the three ways to get the age from a date in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy Excelling.